What's going on, fellow car lovers and fans of Hennessey Performance? My name is Alex. I'm in a GT350 and I love these cars. In stock form, they're great. They're a lot of fun. They sound good. They look good. They're great on the track. But it only becomes one of my favorite cars ever with a supercharger on it. And this one has just that. It's got our HPE850 package on it, which is a blast to drive. It's one of our most tested and proven cars. If you watch Top Gear, they beat the dog out of one of our GT350Rs.
So aggressive.
The track, the road, anything you want to do with this car, it's ready to go at a moment's notice. General maintenance and all that stuff, it just will run forever. I want to show you guys what kind of sound this thing makes, how fast it is, how easy it is to drive, and check it out. It's so easy. It's so fast. Back half of the track. Just rolling through the gears. So easy. I hope you guys can hear what I'm hearing because it's just amazing. All the way to 8,000. Oh my gosh. It's crazy to be driving a car that redlines at 8,000 RPM because, you know, your brain is like, okay, it's time to shift, it's time to shift, it's time to shift. You hear the motor revving so high and it's like, okay, it's time. This HPE850 package comes with a 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty. You're going from about 525 horsepower stock to 850. Huge transformation. And not just on the numbers, but it's a transformation you can really feel. You know, if you're gonna have a lot of fun with this car, you're gonna wanna live in the really high RPM range where the supercharger just gives you power everywhere in every gear throughout all the rev range. It's unreal. 140 on the back half of the track. Not really, we didn't really roll into it that hard. I kind of came in with a lot more speed through the back corner. I mean, the HPE850 GT350, it's an amazing car, proven, tested, really fast. They're just great.